So it's coming off nicely. No, not anymore. Oh my god, this is a disaster. Hi. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nue Skin. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to everything I post, and in order to do that, you have to hit that notification bell. So I'm just gonna pause right now and give you like probably like a 10 seconds to do that. Yeah, I know you thought the video paused, but make sure to say you do it now. Anyways, guys, so today I'm back with another video, of course, famous YouTube line. Yeah, for my new and returning subscribers, today I'm going to be making sugar wax. So I've actually done a video on my channel with my husband on how to do this before. I've actually done a video about this, but I keep getting requests on how I actually make the wax, so I decided to do one just dedicated to this channel. So yeah, to make your sugar wax, all you need is just 3 simple ingredients. All right, and everything is all natural and it works perfectly each time. So you'll need lemons. Yeah, these lemons are very juicy, so I only squeeze like 1.5 lemon, and this is the juice from 1.5 lemons. Yeah. And you'll also need granulated sugar. Yeah. And you'll need water. So just those 3 simple ingredients. Now, if you're just making a small portion of wax, I like to stick to the formula of 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So you just combine those 3 ingredients, and that's what we're going to use to make our sugar wax. So follow me while I squeeze these lemons. Whenever you're dealing with anything skincare, always ensure, if you're not wearing gloves, ensure that you have absolutely clean hands. So I'm going to be washing my hands before I continue. Alright, so my hands are washed. And I already had cut this lemon, so I'm just gonna show you guys in the camera how juicy it actually is. So I'm not worried about the seeds right now because I'm going to be straining it after. So, and these are not big lemons, but surprisingly they're very, very, very juicy. So I'm just gonna continue squeezing the rest of these. So in order to get all the juice out of them, what I normally do is kind of like pressurize it. I don't know if that's what you call it. Look here, people, let me just put this disclaimer right here. I'm no expert. Sugaring is just something that I have developed a natural love for. Hopefully one day I can get certified. I can become a certified esthetician. I think that's the name. Yeah, hopefully one day I can become licensed, but for now this is just something I love and I'm exploring it until I can become certified. Alright, so hopefully you guys can help me to become certified one day. So let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Alright, so before I cut the lemons, what I do is kind of like pressurize it. As I say, I'm not sure if that's what you call it, but I kind of like roll it, yeah, until it feels kind of, you know, soft. Then cut it and squeeze. Alright, so I'm just gonna squeeze all of these lemons and I'll get right back to you. Alright, so I'll show you guys how many how many. I'll show you guys how much juice I get from 23 lemons, because the lady sharp me one and I go back from a lemon tomorrow. Yeah, so I'll show you how much juice I get from these 23 lemons. Alright, so be right back. I actually tried to squeeze all of them. I'm joking. I only squeezed 9, guys, and look at how much juice. This is a cup, and I almost got a full cup. I think it's a cup though, because yeah, this is more than a cup. So this is about a cup of lemon juice, and all I squeezed was, I only squeezed 9 lemons. So I only squeezed 9 lemons to get 1 cup of lemon juice. So, and these weren't big lemons, so they were actually some small juicy lemons, and I love them. So now it's time to strain them. So our cloth is super clean, so we're just gonna put it like this. So we're going to just get 1 whole cup in there, pack it in. We're going to put it in our pot. Alright, just like that. Next, we are going to have a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Just pour that in our 1/4 cup. Going to add that to the pot as well. And then 1/4 cup of water. Oopsie. So 1/4 cup of purified water I'm using. And then that should be it. Cover up these back, tie up that. And then we're going to, so this is how it looks. Okay. We're going to turn on stove. On medium heat, and then we're just going to stir it up, so we don't want it to burn. And then as soon as it changes color, we're going to turn that pot, or turn that flame off. You're gonna turn it right off as soon as it changes color. All right, okay, so we'll be back. So this is how our wax currently looks. Hasn't been 5 minutes yet. I'm just giving it a stir so that all the ingredients can mix out properly. So this is how it should look. This is how it should look before it changes color. Alright, so our wax has started to change color. So the desired color that I'm looking for is like a honey gold. So it's not quite there yet. So as soon as it changes to that color, I'm going to just take it off. Okay, so this is good, guys. So I'm just going to turn it off right now. So I'm going to pour my wax in my cooling container. You see the color of the wax? Alright. Alright everyone, so our wax is completely cooled, and I have somebody who has volunteered their leg to be my tester. So I'm just going to take out some of the wax, just like this. Ooh, look at that. And then I'm going to powder the area, and her hairs are going downward, so I'm just going to lightly powder the area. Oops. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to lightly powder it. Her hairs are going down, so we're going to actually apply the wax in the opposite direction, and then you know the other part. So here we go. So it looks. All right. All right, so the hairs have started to come off. Was that painful?
No.
Wow, my client is not feeling any pain. I like this client. All right, so we're going to go again. So go in the opposite direction. Wow, and there we go. So it's coming off nicely. No, not anymore. Oh my god, this is a disaster. What is going on here? All right, so because of the temperature, guys, sometimes this will happen. What happened in this case, what you do in this case is you have to use a wax strip and flick it off instead, because this happens because of the temperature that we are in. It's too warm. All right, but your wax will start to change color like this as you go along. And yeah, this is sugaring. Alright, so here I have my wax strip for the stubborn wax. So I'm going to apply it upward because our hair goes downward. And then so you just use the strip to take it off instead. And there are the hairs. Was that painful, my client?
Not too much.
Okay. I love this client. Oh my god. So if you don't want too much mess to be on your hands, you can actually use a wax or a popsicle stick or fudge stick, as some persons would call it, to do the waxing. So I'm just going to take out some more wax and demonstrate that method to you, which is the cleaner method. So you see there are no hairs on her skin, so let's look for a part with some hair. Alright, so this is how it is. So can just do that and use the stick instead to do the sugaring. Right? Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, tell me what was your favorite part, and remember to try and wax in a cool environment, because if you wax in a warm environment like I was doing, your wax will start to melt and you may end up having to use wax strips instead of your actual fingers to get the wax off. So that's just a tip, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.